Hey guys, and welcome to another makeup video. I don't know guys, but we're in 2025 and I am still struggling to do my makeup or even finding the right match for my face. I don't know if it's because I only wear makeup, like you can say, three times for the year, and that is on anniversary, on my birthday, and on Christmas. But anyway, guys, I'm still gonna give it a go for you guys today. Tell me how I did in the comment section down below. I'm gonna start off this with putting some Vaseline on my lip, and then I'm gonna go straight into getting my brows filled in. Okay, I bought all of these things that I'm using right now in Superjug. Superjug? No, not Superjug. Boots. I got these from Boots, guys. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk too much in this video. I'm gonna let you watch it, and then you should leave your comments in the comment section and tell me how you think I did. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, making sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if it's your first time here, welcome. I hope you enjoy all our videos and you watch more. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching. Make sure to watch another video after this one, okay guys? Bye now. He's awake. Yay! He was sleeping, guys, and now he's awake. So I'm gonna go do my lip now, hopefully, and then do my edges, and then show you guys the final look. Okay, I hope you'll settle for me once I get that done. Ooh, pardon you. Guys, he's just awake. He just woke up, so obviously. He was crying a little bit because he just wake up. You just wake up. You just wake up. Just wake up. So, okay, let's get this done. So, guys, I had to quickly do my lips off live off the camera because my baby is crying. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my final touch, which is my finishing spray, which I've been using throughout, as you can see as well. Oh no, see my face in it. And then I'm going to do my edges. I think a nice hoop would be lovely as well, so I'm going to get a hoop to finish off the look. This is the edge control I'm using. It's a braiding spray. It's not like a braiding spray, it's a braiding spray. So let me get this done. I'm going to do this off camera, guys. So I've done my edges and I'm just going to put in these quickly. Okay, so these are put in the wrong way in my ears anyway, but yeah, it's fine. Okay. Tell me what you think, guys. Do you like it? I'm not a professional makeup or anything, guys, and I only do makeup as well, but and obviously I had to rush as well because I was trying to do it whilst baby was sleeping. So yeah, I think my mouth, I don't like the black line around here. The thing is, I don't have any other one, so I just use what I had. As I said, I'm not someone who has a lot of makeup. Let's take it out more in the light and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like in the natural light, guys. Do you think I did well? Yeah, it's alright, isn't it? It is alright. I really do like it, and I'm trying my best to constantly keep this up, like, you know, keep my practice going, and then yeah. But yeah, hope you like. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Let me know what you think about this.